Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Is that correct? I don't think so, Andrew. It's a bird. How will you form it like a bird? A real bird. Bird, bird, bird. No. No. Ate will help you, okay?
No.
You don't want me to help you?
Bird.
Bird. A sky should be on the upper part. Or the clouds. See? No.
No.
I didn't see a bird. I will help you, okay? Okay? I will take it. I will take it. And then I will help you. Okay? Oh. No, no. Put it here. This one, boy. This one. Push. Push it.
There. No.
Okay, ate will help you, okay? That one. Oh, it should be this side. And then, what else? What else? What else? Should be like this, boy. Like that. Where's the other eyes? Like that. What should be in this side? This side. It didn't come. Is that a bird? No.
No.
Not here. Just continue it putting here. Like this, oh. See, look at ate. Look at ate. Come on. Look at ate. I will help you. Here. Not there. Not there. Just put it here. Like this. Come on. Put it here. Push it. Push this one. I will take this. Good job. Oh. Ah. Oh, no, no, no. No, no. It's okay na. That's good. I will just take this. Okay. You push it. There. Like this. We're almost done. Wait. We're almost done. Come on. Just put it here. Wait. Ate will put it. Or here na lang. Here. This side. I will assemble this first here. Here, oh. I will help you, okay? Okay?
Okay.
And you're okay? Like this. Wait.
Oh, no.
Take this one first. Ate will help you.
Which eye? Hook. Oh no, this is me. Oh, take away. Good.
Wait, wait. Wait, wait.
Hey.